Alright, guys. A friend of mine just told me, same one from the thing.
He's an asshole.
Yeah, the weekend agent. He's that guy. He's gonna show me a video called a One Guy, One Screwdriver. Dude, from what?
Okay, he's never seen this video. I have seen it. This is...
He described it to me, though. Like,
It's
I
pretty
know...
fucking disturbing.
Should I have a link to the video in the description?
There's gonna be a link in the description below.
Should I do that? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it. Okay. This is gonna be awful. Jesus Christ. Okay.
You gotta watch the whole video, by the way.
How long is this? Oh, it's only a minute?
It's pretty nasty, though.
Oh, still, though. It's only a minute.
Okay, just watch it. Is the sound on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn it up a little bit.
Alright, here we go, guys. Seriously.
Fuck. What the fuck? Oh! Jesus Christ! What the fuck? Oh!
Oh, it gets worse.
Jesus Christ.
It's not done.
Oh! What the fuck is he? Oh, God damn! Oh. That fucking blood, god damn. So,
He lost about a gallon of blood.
Jesus, how the fuck is this dude alive?
I don't know.
And a follow-up question, does he even want to be alive?
Probably.
Oh, Jesus!
I'm losing my shit right now.
I don't think we should do a link to the...
Yeah, you can.
Wow.
Oh my god.
You know the worst part about that?
Revenge is a bitch.
No. There's people out there.
That are into that.
Yeah. People out there that are into that.
You should go back to the base camp to make sure you're still there.
Geez, no, I'm still there. Don't worry. It's God damn.
Jesus Christ.
It's midnight right now. I don't think I'm getting to fucking sleep at all.
After that wonderful nightmare.
When I close my eyes, I see it. God damn. Fuck. Motherfucker. Alright.
Okay, this is so much better live. Just saying.
Oh shit. Anything's better live, especially freak out videos or reaction or whatever. God. Motherfucking.
You're
Christ.
welcome, asshole.
So many questions.
First
First of all,
laughing in the background.
First of all the questions. Every question there is. All the questions.
That's actually been taken off YouTube 4 times.
God damn.
I'm trying to think of another really disturbing video.
No, I'm done. You can go fuck yourself.
Revenge is a bitch.
Fuck yourself with a screwdriver.
Revenge.
Alright, so I'm just gonna stop the video or whatever, so.